Here I have LG X Mach, and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's find and select the settings, choose General tab, scroll down to phone management, and let me choose battery and power saving. Here we've got a couple of settings about your battery. You can read the statistics about the usage of your battery. You can turn off or turn on the battery percentage or status bar, and you may also choose the battery saver mode settings. Let's tap settings, and right now you've got automatically turning on the battery saver mode when you have 15% of the battery, but you can turn the battery saver mode immediately by using that option right here, and right now you are using the battery saver mode. So you can always switch it off by using an upper bar, and here by tapping the battery saver right here, and by using that switcher again you can disable the power saving mode. Let's go back, and now the device is in normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.